Subscribe to Man Mahila Ka and hit the bell icon for more such videos.
Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go. I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down.
Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to Mahan Mahila Ka platform. So, ma'am, tell me about yourself and your beautiful journey.
Hi, thank you for inviting me to Man Mahila Ka. It is a superb platform where actually Man Mahila Ka, the word itself empowers women. It shows that women are really somebody who should be respected. So such an amazing platform, and thank you for this appreciation, and thank you for bringing me on this platform. Well, I'm Kavita Beredia from Delhi. I'm MBA in marketing, and I was doing corporate job for quite a long period of time. Now I am a freelancing. I am a sari drape artist. I drape sari in 200 plus styles. I'm a food blogger, YouTuber. I have a YouTube channel in name of Food and Fashion by Kavita Beredia. Within a year, I have got 5,000 plus subscribers in that completely multi-cuisine vegetarian channel. I'm an NLP practitioner, and I'm a life relationship parenting coach and trainer, fashion designer. This is the small detail that I have of your mind.
So, ma'am, you have done so many things. It's really amazing and it's really commendable. So, can you tell me about the hurdles or challenges that you have faced during your journey?
Hurdles. I would say, like life is never easy. If you want to achieve something in a life, it is not like you don't get it served on a plate. You have to earn it. So my life was actually a roller coaster ride. It wasn't very easy, full of roller coaster ride. But the best thing that I got was assurance from my creator that I will have problem, I will have struggle, but there will be solution too. I was 32 when I lost my husband. My son was 1 year, 8 months old. I was single mom for quite a long time, struggling with society, struggling with in-laws, like all kind of chaos in life, and obviously mentally depressed. It was a tough period of my time, my life, and I came over it. Now at present, I'm settled again in Delhi, and I'm doing all this thing. I was doing corporate job as an MBA in marketing. I was into education institution, infrastructure, and a lot of places. My son was only 1 year, 8 months old when I started doing job because I lost my husband. I couldn't give him proper time. मेरे पास उसके लिए वक्त नहीं था because मैं job में busy थी. I had to take care of my family. So that's why when I married again now, I have an amazing life partner now. तो उसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि अब मैं full time 9 to 7 job नहीं करूँगी because my priority was my son. जब उसको सबसे ज़्यादा मेरी ज़रूरत थी, I couldn't give him time. So अभी मैं freelancing कर रही हूँ and I wanted to do something different. तब मैंने सोचा कि अपने कल्चर में साड़ी is very important part and लोग उसको पहनते नहीं हैं. So I came up with the concept. I wear 200 plus style of sarees, or eggless baking, vegetarian cooking, multi-cuisine cooking I'm doing. Parenting is a big challenge in today's scenario. I've seen in Delhi, lots of children are being pampered, over pampered, lots of issues are there. So I came up with parenting, life coaching, training. So this is the thing.
Nice. So nice, ma'am.
Well, my inspiration has to be my grandma. She was considered as Iron Lady of her time. And yeah, she is one of the inspiration. My mom, my two kakijis are there. Like, family is the inspiration for me. My husband and my son are pillar of strength for me. Full of power does, you can say.
So, ma'am, anything you want to discuss, you want to share on this platform?
The one thing that is very important that I always want people to know, that people thinks कि भाई हमारे लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत स्ट्रगल है. ये स्ट्रगल और प्रॉब्लम्स जो है ना, ये हायर जाने का एक वे है, लाइक टू रीच अ हायर प्लेस. नेवर फील कि भाई हमने एक अचीवमेंट, मतलब आई ऑलवेज हैव थर्स्ट टू ग्रो अप. मेरे को कभी भी सेटिस्फैक्शन होती नहीं है. मतलब एवरीबॉडी इन माय फैमिली सेज कब सेटिस्फाई होगी. आई सेड आई डोंट नो. I haven't reached the place that I want to be. So aim high, work really, really hard, and always believe in yourself. लोग तो कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. Stop giving importance to them.
Yes,
And
I am
have
agree
full
upon this.
faith on yourself.
I agree. I definitely agree upon this. So, ma'am, according to you, what will be the success mantra?
See, there are two important things that I would like to mention. Number one, the most important success mantra is that stop talking, stop falling into argument, stop answering controversies. Very important. Stop answering all the controversies. Just do what you are supposed to do. Because हम जब आंसर करने के लिए घूमते हैं, हम नेगेटिविटी को इनवाइट करते हैं, and we were not placed on the earth to impress everybody. And believe me, सबको खुश हो भी नहीं सकते हैं. तो एक तो सबको खुश करने की जो एक इच्छा मन में है, उसको छोड़ दो. हर कंट्रोवर्सी को आंसर करना छोड़ दो. इग्नोर इट एंड जस्ट एम टू वेयर यू हैव टू रीच. लाइक यू हैव टू जस्ट एम. नंबर वन, ये मेरा इंपॉर्टेंट मंत्र है. नंबर टू, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मंत्र विच आई ऑलवेज फॉलो इन माई लाइफ, दैट हार तो मतलब कई बार आप गिरोगे, बहुत बार गिरोगे, जोर से गिरोगे, धीरे गिरोगे, एक बार रोना आएगा, क्राई इट आउट, बट फिर हिम्मत के साथ, डबल हिम्मत के साथ खड़े हो और एक दौड़ लगाओ. बस टूटना नहीं है और रुकना नहीं है. इस चीज को एकदम ठान लो कि ना तो रुकना है ना टूटना है, और गिरना तो है. बिना गिरे तो बच्चे, छोटे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, आपने देखा है, वो हमेशा गिरते हैं.
they can't learn. Yeah.
ये लाइफ है. हम सोचते हैं बड़े हो गए तो अब गिरना नहीं है, बट बड़े होने के बाद तो और ज्यादा गिरना होता है. तो लर्न फ्रॉम दैट. मतलब मैं तो एक काम करती हूँ, आई ऑलवेज मेक इट अ पॉइंट कि मैंने क्या क्या मिस्टेक्स की है और उससे मैंने क्या सीखा है. मिस्टेक क्या की है वो तो कम लिखती हूँ, क्या लर्न किया है, उससे मैं कैसे उभर के आऊं. How to bring change in my life, that is the main thing that I focus. मतलब नेगेटिविटी को एकदम हटा के आगे बढ़ना है.
So, ma'am, any social change you want to see in society?
Many.
Please state that.
Most important thing, yeah, because मैं अपनी लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंस से कुछ बात कहना चाहूंगी. जनरली जब एक कम एज में एक लड़की विडो हो जाती है, there are lots of trauma that she undergoes, lots of problem that she undergoes, and then what happens, there is no one to care. और उस हालत में your in-law, society, सब एक टॉर्चर करने के लिए खड़े हो जाते हैं. We need to change the society. We need to be empathetic towards those women. उस वक्त सबके दिमाग में होता है कि प्रॉपर्टी को कैसे अलग कर दे. मतलब वाई, जो उसके हस्बैंड की चीज है वो उसको मिलनी चाहिए. नंबर वन. नंबर टू, एक और इम्पोर्टेंट बात, मैरिज जब भी करते हैं तो वी ऑलवेज हैव अ प्रॉब्लम कि जो लड़की सेकेंड मैरिज कर रही है उसके बच्चे के साथ, लाइक एक्सेप्टेंस इज वेरी टफ. वी नीड टू चेंज आवर माइंडसेट. अगर वो लड़की आपके बच्चों को एक्सेप्ट कर सकती है, व्हाई नॉट यू एक्सेप्ट हर चिल्ड्रन आल्सो. वी नीड टू चेंज दिस माइंडसेट. नंबर थ्री, एक वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट माइंडसेट, फीमेल चाहे कितनी पढ़ी लिखी क्यों ना हो, चाहे आप जिस पोजिशन में क्यों ना हो, प्लीज टेक होल्ड ऑफ योर फाइनेंस. इसकी नॉलेज होनी बहुत जरूरी है. I was MBA in marketing, but I wasn't aware of finances at all. It was taken care by my husband. Believe me, after he went, I was penniless. We didn't have any knowledge about anything. So that's very important mantra that I want every woman to follow. पढ़ी लिखी लड़कियां, पढ़ी लिखी ladies है जो CA, MBA सब की भी है, their finances they don't handle it. So I'll suggest housewife हो, housemaker हो, चाहे आप educated हो, please handle your finances.
So, have anything more you would like to share on this platform?
वैसे तो शेयरिंग की कोई लिमिट नहीं है, पेरेंटिंग कोच हूँ तो कुछ पेरेंटिंग के बारे में बात करना चाहूंगी.
Of course, you
Usually,
can.
when we like हम क्या चाहते हैं, हमने अपनी लाइफ में जो स्ट्रगल देखी है, शुरुआत में किसी ने देखी भी है, हम सोचते हैं हमारे बच्चों को स्ट्रगल ना देखना पड़े. What we do, we give them bed full of roses. This is the way time when they make mistake. We shouldn't do this. हम अपने बच्चे को खड़ा होना सिखाते नहीं है, उनको गिरने के चोट से बचाते हैं. उससे क्या होता है, they'll never know कि भाई चोट लगती है तो कैसा फील होता है. क्योंकि जब वो बड़े हो जाते हैं, and then they feel that pain, it is unbearable. So don't over pamper your children. Let them live their life. उनको बजटिंग सिखाइए, उनको फाइनेंस सिखाइए. Don't over pamper them. उनको एक्स्ट्रा गिफ्ट से मत भरिए. Let them know everything has to be earned. It's not the fault of children. It's the fault of parents.
It is a parent. Yeah, parenting skills, I can say that.
Yeah, because children, they are like mirror. They just follow us. Whatever the way you are going ahead, they just follow you. अगर हम उनको extra pamper कर रहे हैं, उनकी demands fulfill कर रहे हैं, we are wrong. I'll never say children are wrong. We are wrong. एक और important बात जो मैं कहना चाहूंगी साड़ीज के बारे में. I know I may sound little मतलब लोग बोलते हैं पढ़ी लिखी लड़कियां साड़ीज नहीं पहनती हैं. I've seen many industrialists, many famous people, they are wearing sari. So that's why I came up with this sari draping concept, where I know to wear 200 plus styles of sari draping. So I urge all the women to start wear this 9-yard, 6-yard magic. This is a drape, this is an art. So let's rock in this also. You can wear sari on lehenga, you can wear sari on skirt, mini dresses, half dresses, gown, you can wear it on anything. Denims, jeggings, just wear it.
So thank you so much, ma'am, for taking out your precious time for us.
Thank you.